Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this outdoor heated house for cats that this brand sent to me for the video. And I gotta say that this one, if you have outdoor pets, could be amazing to have because you can actually provide a place that is going to be good for the winter or the cold outside. But also, if you want to have it in case that you are in a place that have like stray cats and things like that, could be also good to have, not only for your own cats, but also if you are a person that likes to rescue cats or things like that, you can use this one. And even you can actually make content out of it. You can put a camera and just like record those videos and make sure that you have something for the people to show what you're doing. So what I want to show about this one, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. It comes with everything you need to understand how to do it. You're going to see it right here that comes with the instructions. It is super easy, really easy to put together. It's going to take you about like 10 minutes, no more than that. Let's get inside for a little bit. You're gonna see that this one, the whole thing is insulated, so that is gonna make it to be one of the best ones among the competition because it comes with insulated walls all over the place. So that is really cool. And then you're gonna find the heated pad, which is gonna be this one right here, which it is super soft. So I'm sure that you're gonna have one of the best sleeping experiences that they had in a long time. So you're gonna use this cable over here. You're going to put it to a source of power, and this thing is going to heat all over the place. The whole surface is going to be heated. There's no regulation for the heating. There's no control. There's no remote control. Nothing is going to be heating at all times. So make that into account, and you can use a prolongation, like a prolonged cable, something like that, just in case that you needed to put in a far place, I want to say. So you can use this one as well on the inside. Let's check it out right here. You're going to see that you have this one, which is going to be the access, and this one right here, which is going to be another source of kind of like avoiding the wind or if it is raining, so the water can get inside when they're inside. And these ones are going to be kind of like extension legs. So you can gonna see, let me actually show you something right here. I'm gonna put this one right here, and in here you're gonna find kind of like the structure. These are gonna be the Velcro pads, and you're gonna make this frame over here. And once you're done, you're gonna have this kind of like extension legs in case that is gonna be in a place that is not like grass or something like that. You can use this one, and then this rubber pad so you can put it in another surface. And then this one's right here, they're gonna go right here. You're gonna make sure that these ones are gonna be secure like in the ground. If you have like grass or something like that, you can put them inside there, and you're gonna make sure that this thing won't move with the wind. So let's check out something else. So once you're done, the last step is gonna be just use this, which is gonna be, it's about like 21 inches tall, and it's like 16.5 by 16.5, but you're gonna use this one right here. It's gonna have, let me show you, a zipper. So with the zipper, you're gonna put the zipper all around the house. It's not super easy the first time, remember, because it's gonna have kind of like this inclination over here. So once you do that, actually, let me do it this way because it's complicated if I can't see. So then this way, then this way, and then this way, and then the last part, and we're all set. So this is gonna be your whole house. Remember, the pad is gonna be inside. You put out the cable out, you plug it in, you have the extension legs over here as well, and you also have the chance to secure it to the grass as well. This one is a good one, fully insulated, and it's gonna be either for your outdoor cats during the cold season or stray cats as well. Like it, I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.